Here's the app called SAYLO, your AI creative world. Create, connect, share worlds. Bring stories to life. SAYLO AI chat, comics and anime videos. Watch, chat, and create your own story universe. Anime drama, your stories now in motion. Experience the next level of interactive storytelling. Watch captivating anime and live action dramas directly in SAYLO. AI comics, millions of AI characters with deep memory. Create your dream AI companion, picking at secrets, multi-character drama and roleplay. Creator community and global rewards. So you can just tap get in here and then just double click to install. So that's the idea. 157 megabytes. Quite good ratings. Overall, can be an alternative for character AI for Chai app, which recently is blocked everywhere. So you can take a look at this app. It's not perfect, but just one of the alternatives. Then you can just keep it, and then instant you can then just go and start messaging. So for example, you can just go send a gift. Quite advanced chat. And say or do chat mode, send a gift, group chat, image, video. So quite advanced. It's not minimalistic app. It's a lot of features. And then you can see even some clips, some chats, your account. You can create an account, or so for example, if I just create an account easily with Google or Apple ID sign in. Then that's just your account. Let's just take a look. Okay, so they don't have any invitations, but they still have some coupons. You can upgrade to Pro, which is just $10 per month. So quite a nice app, and there are also rewards where you can just do check-in. You can watch ads and get some free coins. So try it out.